Okay guys, I'm at the Lovebirds Community Gift Shop and this is where I came a couple of days ago and got some stuff. So I just wanted to show you guys his shop, or their shop, because it's I'm sure there's more than one person that owns it. It's a community place. So this will blow your mind. So everybody got their mask on. Let me get my mask on. Put my mask on. So
Oh, your sister.
hey, you know you just saw me a couple of days
you're
ago.
back. Yeah.
Am I gonna get the Kenyan deal, or I'm still getting Mzungu deal? Which one? Yeah. So guys, this is the community shop, isn't it? I mean,
Masai.
if you guys set up in the stage, you make a killing.
Yeah, we'll do that next time. But not now.
Let's have it next time. So I mean, just look at this stuff, guys. Hello.
How are you today, sister?
I'm doing good. I saw you the last time too. You remember me?
I do.
Just a couple of days ago.
Yeah. And I think you're plus 250 for charge.
Yeah, I tried to buy a shirt here, but too much. I got this in that mall for what? 1,000.
You look much beautiful. You don't think so?
Yeah, he trying to get a sale. Look at him. Let me show your face. Let me show his face. Turn around so everybody can see you. My much beautiful. That's code for I want you to spend some money. But I really just came in here to show this, but I want, these were some rings, guys, that I was looking at, but look at all this stuff in here. Got belts.
How about this guy?
A lot of talented people. Okay guys, so we're still in here. Okay, some more stuff, guys. Just too much. Okay, guys. So I'm in the store. Look at all the stuff they have. Well, I have one of the smaller but oval size because I don't like the round. I don't like the round mirrors. Okay, let me go back over here because I think I saw something that I like. Those are all cute. Only thing is, I'm worried about stuff been inside of my suitcase.
You see this one for the wall, eh?
Yeah, but people also steal. I may have to get something like this, something they won't be, their hands won't be on. Okay. So when you guys come to Kenya, come to this place. It's called what? Love Notes, or what is it called? Love. What's the name again?
Lovebird.
Oh,
Lovebird.
Lovebirds.
Yeah, lovebird.
Lovebirds. Place is called Lovebirds. It's just too much to see. I mean, I got the guy waiting for me, so I can't stay in here too long. It's a lot to see, though.